Air frying power, in the palm of your hand. Meet the Ninja Crispi PowerPod. This is the Ninja Crispi PowerPod, an all-in-one air frying system that comes with a 4-quart glass container, a 6-cup glass container, 2 lids, crisper plates, and a container adapter. It promises full air fryer performance in a compact handheld device. Let's break down whether it actually delivers. Its key features are: the Crispi PowerPod. It's handheld, lightweight, and packs the heating power of a full-sized air fryer. You get 2 glass containers. The 6-cup cooks personal meals in about 7 minutes. The 4-quart fits a 4-pound chicken plus veggies, so it works for small and large batches. The glassware is non-toxic, chemical-free, and safe for both cooking and storage. It has 4-in-1 functions: max crisp, air fry, bake, and recrisp, making it versatile beyond just frying. Heat-safe feet are permanently fixed, so you can safely place it on granite, quartz, laminate, marble, or butcher block countertops. The leak-proof snap-lock lids make it great for storing or taking food on the go without spills. And the best part for neat kitchens, everything nests together in your cabinet for easy storage. Plus, all accessories are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Next we look at its real-life benefits. This is where it gets practical. No preheating a giant appliance. This heats up fast, cooks fast, and saves counter space. It is perfect for crispy leftovers in minutes, quick lunches or dinners, cooking chicken and veggies together, storing food in the same glass container you cooked it in. That means less dishes, less mess, less time, and healthier meals without toxins. Next we look at its pros and cons. Pros: big air frying power in a tiny device. 2 glass sizes for flexibility. Non-toxic cooking and storage. Fast cook time, especially for personal meals. Leak-proof, portable, and dishwasher safe. Countertop safe with heat-safe feet. Cons: it's smaller than a full air fryer, so if you cook for a big family daily, you may still need a larger unit. No adjustable temperature settings. It works on optimized fixed heat. And the handheld top means you'll need both hands when removing it mid-cook. Who is it best for? It is ideal for small households, meal preppers, anyone avoiding toxic cookware, people with limited kitchen space, shoppers who want quick, efficient, and clean cooking. Not the best fit if you need large meal capacity every single day. So, does it work? Yes. The Ninja Crispi PowerPod delivers legit crisping and air frying results, heats incredibly fast, and the glass containers make it a safer, cleaner alternative to standard air fryer baskets. It's not trying to replace a 10-quart family air fryer. It's filling the gap for speed, portability, and non-toxic convenience, and it does that very well. And for my final verdict: it's worth buying if you want compact power, fast crispy meals, and safe glassware you can cook and store in. If you're interested, the Amazon link is in the description below. Check current pricing and availability there. And if this review helped you shop smarter, like and subscribe for more honest home and kitchen finds. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.